The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone.
Hi everyone, it's Sophia Melonē, the Debt Demolisher, here to bring you the tools, tips, and tricks to help you manage your financial baggage the right way. In today's episode, I want to continue our conversation around taxes, but I want to introduce the conversation around what to do if you have bank accounts or financial accounts that are in foreign places, yet you are a citizen of the United States, a resident alien of the United States, or you have a formal domestic legal entity that has been established, such as an estate or a trust, or even corporations, partnerships, business entities and structures, and so forth that are operating in the United States. If you have a foreign bank account or financial account that's in a foreign place, you have to know that there is a report of foreign bank and financial accounts that is required to be filed by April the 15th. I know that the tax deadline is April the 18th for this year. However, when it comes to the report of foreign bank and financial accounts, which is the FBAR, you have to file that by the April the 15th. There is a caveat, though. If you are a person who inadvertently misses the deadline to file by April, you'll automatically get a 6-month extension to be able to file it by October the 15th. And you don't have to file a request for an extension in order to get that. It's automatically granted. But you have to make sure that you are reporting this if this is such. So if you want to know whether or not if you meet the criteria in order to have to file a foreign bank and financial accounts report, pretty much that's what it is. This is a requirement based on the Bank Secrecy Act, which was established, and it allows U.S. persons to be able to file this report. And they have to file this report if they have financial interest, meaning they have signature authority or they have any other type of authority over one or more accounts, such as a bank account, a brokerage account, a mutual fund, or any other type of financial account in a foreign country. And the aggregate value of that specific foreign financial account is greater than $10,000, but the greater than $10,000 means that that account had to have a balance of $10,000 at any point in time during the calendar year. So it's not based on what the ending balance is as of December 31st. It's based on what was the amount, if there was $10,000 or more that particular account had a balance of between January 1st, 2021 through December 31st, 2021, you still have to file because you meet the criteria if you meet 1 and 2, which was what I explained. So what happens if you fail to file this financial report? If you fail to file this foreign bank and financial accounts report, what will happen? So if you do not file the FBAR when it's required to be paid or when it's required to be filed, there could be significant civil as well as criminal penalties that can be assessed. And it could also result in imprisonment, which I'm pretty sure a lot of people don't want, right? The IRS themselves won't penalize those for who basically report late if they're able to show reasonable cause. The key is reasonable cause. We went over this on the account as well, and I wanted to share the importance related to that and what is the report due and who it's due to, which is FinCEN. So the Financial Crimes and Enforcement Network is an entity that is tracking all of financial accounting information or financial banking information that occurs in foreign countries. And so what they have on this website here is just showing you what it represents in terms of monetary, what that means, what that looks like, and what you should be able to consider when it comes to that space in that regard. So if you have any foreign accounts and you have ownership over any foreign accounts, make sure that you bring this information to your tax preparer as well.
The Debt Demolisher TV with Sophia Melone.